interior on the Carnival Miracle 8260. This one's laid out differently than the usual interiors. Your bed is right there on the right. And you get two lamps, king size bed. Oh, this lamp does have USB plug, so you can plug your phone in here and charge it. There's one on both sides. The counter, drawers, outlets, one American, one European. The refrigerator's down here. Your safe is above it. Your TV. Over here to the left is closets. You got 3 closets. Here's one with shelves. Here's a hanging closet with a lower bar. And here's another one where your life jackets and you hang stuff here. And then over here on the left is the bathroom. And it's standard Carnival bath. Shelves on both sides. Toilet. Shower. Step to get into the bathroom. Toilet. And the dreaded shower curtain.